Hi guys, I'm Lucy and this is English and. Today we will be doing English and scones, and I will be showing you how to make scones from scratch.
The first step is to turn your oven up to 220 degrees. You're going to need 450 grams of self-raising flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 50 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of softened butter, 2 free-range eggs, a little milk, some strawberry jam, and some clotted cream. Firstly, you are going to need to grease a baking tray. I've put some oil and I've just greased the baking paper. You are then going to put your flour, baking powder and sugar in a large bowl. Mix it up. Then you're going to take your butter, add that to the dry mixture, and then you want to mix it a little bit before you get your fingers and hands a little bit dirty, and you want to rub the butter in until it looks like fine breadcrumbs. Afterwards you want to crack the eggs into a measuring jug, then add a little bit of milk, about 300 milliliters, and then stir them together. And you want to stir that mixture into your flour mixture. You might not need all of the egg mixture, but just to get it to the right consistency. I usually use a knife to mix this up to make it into a dough, but you want to start forming that dough. You want to flour a surface and knead it very lightly. Once you've done that, you can roll it out so that it's about 2 centimeters thick, and then you want to take some sort of shape. I just used a small bowl that I had. It's about the right size. And I cut out those shapes. You then put them onto the baking tray. Leave a little bit of space as they might grow. Then if you have any milk and egg mixture left, do put some on top of your scones before you put them in the oven. If not, just a little bit of milk works. Once that's done, put it in the oven. Bake it for 12 to 15 minutes until the scones have risen and they are a pale golden brown colour. Once they are done, you want to put them onto a wire rack to cool. The idea is to eat them as fresh as possible. The best way to do this, as I will show you, you want to cut your scone open. Spread a little bit of butter on it, some jam, and finally your clotted cream. And you then want to close this up and it's ready to eat.
thank you for joining me today. How did your scones turn out? Comment below and let me know. I'm going to try mine. That was delicious.